Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class, right? So we are on the topic of plane geometry and we discussed some of the properties about the transversal, right? Yeah, and we discussed about the complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pair, and at transversal corresponding angles, alternate angles, and co-interior and co-exterior angles, right? Yeah. What about the corresponding angles at parallel lines of transversal? When you are observing the transversal at parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal. Same way, alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. But sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees, nothing but supplementary. Same way, sum of co-exterior angles also supplementary, right? And we discussed some of the problems. So in this exercise, let us continue the problem here. I think 14th question, right? Yeah. The question is given that, so if the angles with measures x and y from a complementary pair, angles are measuring with x and y, nothing but x and y are complementary, it seems. Complementary means sum of two angles equals to 90 degrees. And then the angles with which of the following measures will form a supplementary pair of angles with x and y. For example, what is the supplementary angle of x and what is the supplementary angle of y? Okay, now let us consider, for example, I am taking one is a angle or measurement of x and its complementary angle will be 89 degrees. Am I right? Same way, for one supplementary angle is 179. Am I right? Yeah. Now let us see that we know that x plus y values are 90 degrees and we need to find out the supplementary angles of these angles. Now I am taking the supplementary angles separately. Supplementary angles of x or angle of x is nothing but 180 minus x. Okay, na? And same way, supplementary angle of y. And before that, you need to identify that. Like, let me write this. Supplementary angle of y is 180 minus y. And we already know that x and y are complementary angles. That means we can write y equals to 90 minus x. Y equals to 90 minus x. Okay. Now see here, or we can directly go through the options also, that is different. Now in the place of y, I can write 90 minus x. Am I right? Yeah. So 180 minus, in the place of y, I can write 90 minus x. So that equals to 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees, minus or minus plus. So this is nothing but 90 plus x will be the supplementary angle of y. What is the supplementary angle of y? 90 plus x. Supplementary angle of x, 180 minus x. Let us try to observe here. 180 minus x plus 90 plus x equals to 180 degrees. Am I right? Because sum of two angles equals to 180 degrees, but sum of their supplementary angles need not be 180. Okay, na? But here, while you are observing that, we know x plus y equals to 90 degrees, but while you are seeing the options like first option x plus 47 and the second one is y plus 43. These two are supplementary angles or not. That means if x and y are in complementary angles, and it is, we need to find out the supplementary angles in x and y terms. Let us check sum of these two angles. X plus 47 plus y plus 43 equals to 180. That means I am going through the option. Okay. First angle plus second angle equals to 180. It is given that sum of two angles is supplementary or not. Okay, let us check. So x plus y variables I have written together. 47 plus 43. How much? 90 degrees. 90 degrees transpose this side minus 90, then the given two angles are satisfies that x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. Correct? Yeah. So we can conclude that the option 1 is a correct answer. Let us check that option 2 also. What is the option 2? X minus 23 and y plus 23. If these two are supplementary angles, their sum must be 180. So add here minus 23 plus 23 cancel. Then x plus y equals to 180. But we know that x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, not 180 degrees. Okay, na? So by solving the problem, so we can go through the options easily. So we can choose first option is our required one. Okay. Now let us go to the question number 15. Yeah, the 15th question is, in the figure, not to a scale, x and y are complementary angles. Same question like 14th one, x and y are complementary. Complementary means x plus y equals to 90 degrees, correct? Yeah. So we can write x plus y equals to 90 degrees, and here one diagram is given. That is L, M and N. While you are observing here, N is a transversal line. N is a transversal line, and also it is not given, not mentioned about L and M are parallel lines or not. But angles are given. Through the angles we need to identify. Right? The angles are x minus 50 and this one 10 plus y. And also one more angle is given, x plus 2y. Okay? But the condition we know, x plus y equals to 90 degrees. X plus y equals to 90 degrees because of x and y are complementary angles. Okay. Now, from this figure, we can say that x minus 50 and 10 plus y are equal. How? Vertically opposite angle, x shape. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, na? So let us try to equate them. X minus 50 equals to 10 plus 5 and x minus y equals to 60 degrees. We got that x minus y equals to 60 degrees. Okay. Now let us check that x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. X plus y equals to 90 degrees. I am trying to solving these two equations while adding minus y plus y cancel. So we can get the 2x equals to 150 degrees, then x equals to 75. 150 by 2 is nothing but 75. When I find x value 75, what could be the y value? Y value is definitely 15 degrees. Y value is 15 degrees because sum of two angles are 90 degrees because x and y are complementary angles. Clear? Yeah. Now try to check whether L and M are parallel lines or not. To get a parallel lines, we discussed already. Alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, co-interior, their sum must be 180 degrees, nothing but supplementary. But here alternate angles are not available in this picture, and same way corresponding angles also not available, but we have co-interior angles. What are co-interior angles? Their sum must be 180. Let us check. Sum is getting 180 or not. So 10 plus y plus x plus 2y. Let us check. Y value is 15 degrees plus x value is 75 plus 2 into y. 2 into 15 is 30 degrees. Add here 15 plus 75, 90. 90 plus 40 is 130 degrees. So when you add two co-interior angles, their sum is 180 degrees. Then only we can consider the given lines are parallel. Otherwise, they are not parallel lines. Okay, na? So you have to go through the option L is not parallel to M. L is not parallel to M. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Yeah, the 16th problem is given that. So in the given figure, BC and DE are parallel. Let me draw the diagram here. BC and DE. So BC is a parallel line and DE also a parallel. Yeah, BC, DE. These two are parallel line. So we can identify the parallel lines through these arrow symbols. So BC and DE are having the same side of arrow symbols. We can consider that these two are parallels. And also they are both of them connecting like this at a point A. So this is the given diagram and the values are 112. 112 degrees and 15 degrees, and angle D value is X. This entire angle is X. So from the figure what we have to find? We need to find the value of X, nothing but ADE. ADE is nothing but X value we need to find it. Okay na? Right. Now most of the problems easily we can solve whenever you observe that parallel lines. Try to take one of the transversal or identify the transversal near the parallel lines. Then we can easily identify corresponding angles, alternate angles and co-interior and exterior angles. Or else we need to construct a parallel line. Okay na? Or construct a transversal, whatever we want. Okay. Now I am doing here just extending the parallel line like this. BC I am going to extend like this. It is a straight line, right? BC is a straight line. We know that at a straight line sum of adjacent angles is 180 supplementary because of linear pair. So if it is 112, then what is the angle near here? That is nothing but 8, 120, 68 degrees. So this angle will be 68. Now same way I am just extending this one also. Okay na? That means it is a straight line. It is a straight line. So this angle is definitely the shaded angle. That means in the pink color, that definitely is 180 degrees because of straight line. Angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. That means the X value is more than 180. Am I right? Yeah, X value will gives the more than 180. Now check here. So we already construct the parallel line. We extended the parallel lines, right? This one. Now this one is considering as a transversal. This line is considering as a transversal. Okay. Now in transversal, in this figure transversal, while you are observing this one, 112 degrees and this one also 112 degrees only, because while you are observing, if you are taking this is a transversal, these two are parallel lines, these are having the same shape, nothing but corresponding angles. So that means this one is 112. Okay. Now I am identifying this triangle. It's triangle, this triangle. This is a small triangle. Okay na? And we know that in triangle sum of all angles is 180 degrees. Sum of angles is 180. That means from this 15 degrees plus 112 plus remaining this part, remaining one, this angle. Remaining angle is, let us consider A, equals to 180 degrees. Now add both of them. 127 plus A equals to 180 degrees. Then A equals to 180 minus 127. Try to subtract the values here. So 10 minus 7, 3, 7 means 53. So angle A is equals to 53. Nothing but the entire angle is, X ADE. ADE is nothing but 180 degrees plus 53. 180 degrees plus 53. How much? 233 degrees is our required answer. Okay na? So first what I did, I just extended the parallel lines and I identify one of the transversal line here, then applied the corresponding angles. And from the small triangle, I used angle sum property. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Okay, na? So from this option, 1 is the correct answer for us. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Yeah, 17th one. The 17th one from the figure. So A, B, C, D. Like the shape is given like this. A, B, yeah, C, D. Letter A, B, here C and D. Okay. So ABCD is a figure. Let us check angle BAD equals to angle A. BAD is nothing but angle at A. This one A degrees. Small a is given. And also angle ABC. ABC means angle at B. This is small c. Okay, na? And BCD angle at C. BCD means this one. But in the figure it is given D. Just try to change into letter C. So BCD. So interior angle BCD is equals to B. But exterior part is given outside this one. This angle is small b. Okay, na? Next, we need to find the angle CDA. CDA is nothing but this one. We need to find this one. Okay, na? Yeah, let us check. While you are observing this entire diagram, see here AB, BC, CD, DA. There are 4 line segments AB, BC, CD, DA. 4 line segment closed figure is nothing but quadrilateral. Okay, na? And it is a concave quadrilateral. It is a concave quadrilateral. Yeah. From this concave quadrilateral or any quadrilateral, we can identify that sum of angles is 360 degrees. Sum of interior angles are 360 degrees. Okay, na? Right. Now, I am just writing that this is the interior angle I am taking x. By using the property of quadrilateral, angle A, first interior angle, second interior angle is C, third interior angle is X, and fourth interior angle is D. Capital D I will write. Equals to 360 degrees. Okay, na? And we know this one, this angle C, this means angle X we can consider as 360 minus X because 360 minus B, because this angle is B. At this point, this complete rotation, nothing but circle, one of the point we know, we can identify its reflex angle. If you know that B is an angle, its reflex angle is nothing but 360 minus B. That means I can take X value as 360 minus B. Okay, na? So in next step, what I will do, in the place of X, I can write 360 minus B plus the required angle D equals to 360 degrees. So I am just transposing every term that side except D. Okay, na? Now angle D equals to, right side we are already having 360 degrees because of angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Yeah. A plus C minus B, transpose that side, minus A minus C plus B, and plus 360 transpose minus 360 degrees. So minus 360 plus 360 cancel. Now angle D is equals to B minus A minus C. This is our required answer. Okay, na? Angle CDA equals to B minus A minus C. Please check that. So option is 2. Let us go to the problem number 18. Yeah, 18th problem. Yeah. So in the given figure, which is given that AB is parallel to CD and angle F is 30 degrees. So let me draw a diagram. AB, CD are parallel lines. So AB and CD. AB, CD are parallel lines. And both are connecting like F to C here. F angle A to F is 90 degrees is given, and F to C is joined. So this angle, and also here angle E is given. This point is considering as angle E. Okay, let us see that. So in this given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle F equals to 30 degrees. Angle F means this one. This value is 30 degrees. Okay, na? And ECD value we need to find. ECD means this angle we need to find. And from the figure it is given here, perpendicular symbol, nothing but 90 degrees angle. 90 degrees angle. So we can consider this is 90 degrees angle. But from the figure while you are observing very clearly, AB and CD are parallel already we know. Now this I am drawing a diagram, see green color one. While you are observing this, it is a triangle and here E will be exterior angle. According to the property of exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. That means this exterior angle equals to sum of these two angles. Same concept I am applying here. Then this value will be 30 plus 90, 120 degrees. And we already know these two parallel, so we can consider it is a transversal. Transversal means these two are same shape, nothing but corresponding angles, and parallel lines. At a transversal we can take corresponding angles are equal for parallel lines, are equal at parallel lines. So the required angle ACD equals to 120 degrees. Okay? Yeah, please check. We'll go to the next problem. That is problem number 19. If angle X is equal to 5 square degrees, 5 square is nothing but 25 degrees. Angle X equals to 5 square degrees, nothing but 25 degrees. And angle Y 10 degrees. Angle Y equals to 10 degrees. And also angle Z is 4 cube. 4 cube means what? 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Angle Z is 64 degrees. Then the reflex angle of X plus Y plus Z. So let us find that X plus Y plus Z first. X value is 25, Y value is 10 and Z value is 64. Add all of them. 64 plus 25, 89, 99 degrees. So X plus Y plus Z equals to 99. What about reflex angle? Reflex angle, to find the reflex angle, we need to subtract the given angle from 360 degrees. So reflex angle of X plus Y plus Z is equals to 360 minus X plus Y plus Z. That equals to 360 minus 99. So it is 261 degrees. Our required angle is 261. Because 360 minus 90 or 360 minus 100 is 260. That one we are adding here. 100 we subtract 1. 261. So this is our required answer. So let us go to the problem number 20. AB and CD are two straight lines intersect at O. Two straight lines are intersect at O. Okay na? 20th question. Yeah, ABCD. Here O. Okay. Now, if the supplement and complement of angle COA, COA means this one. Supplement angle of COA, complement angle of COA are in the ratio 31:13. Okay. So you identify this diagram now. So I am using the fresh face. Supplement of angle COA and complement of angle COA are in the ratio. Which ratio it is having? 31:13. Yeah, first supplement, next complement. Yeah, 31:13. So I can write 31/13. Okay, na? Right. Then DOA equals to dash degrees. DOA What is DOA? Small one. This one. Okay? Right. Now, while you are observing these two, COA supplement, let us take angle COA equals to x. I am taking that angle COA equals to x degrees. Then its supplement angle is 180 minus x. Okay, na? And its complement angle is 90 minus x. Supplement of x is 180 minus x. Complement of x is 90 minus x. Now here, according to the given statement, that is the both ratio is 31:13. So supplement of COA is nothing but 180 minus x by 90 minus x equals to 31/13. Do cross multiplication. That means 31 into 90 minus x equals to 13 into 180 minus x. Multiply 31, so 9 ones are 9, 9 3 is 27, 2790 minus 31x. Now here minus 13x and 13 18s. 18 table in 13 times. So this is 54 and 18. 234. Okay, na? This is 234, nothing but 0. Now try to bring all the variables one side and all the numbers one side. Okay, na? Now I am bringing 2340 this side. So 2790 minus 2340, that is equals to minus 31x transpose this side becomes plus 31x, here minus 13x. Subtract both of them, here 0, 9 minus 4 5, 7 minus 3 4, 450 equals to, yeah, here 8, 11 minus 3, okay, 31, nothing but 18x. Alright? Yeah, so 11 minus 3 is 8, yeah, 18x. Now x equals to 450 by 18. I am just trying to cancel in 3 table here 6 times, here 150 times. Now 6 table, 6 2s, 3, 12, 30, 6 5s are 30. So x value I got 25 degrees. So that means this is x. We are considering this one is x, right? So this is 25 degrees I got. What about DOA? DOA is nothing but, while you are observing, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. And sum of two angles on a straight line is 180 degrees because of linear pair. So we already got that one of the angle is 25. Then to find the second angle, 180 minus 25. How much? 155 is our required answer. Okay, na? So let us go to the next problem. Yeah. So now the question number 21 in the figure. In the figure, L, M, N are perpendicular lines. Sorry, parallel lines. L, M, N are parallel lines. So let me draw the diagram first. So I am taking 3 parallel lines. First one, second one, and the third one. Second one is given like this. Yeah, these two are connected. Okay, so L, M, N. These are parallel lines indicated by the arrow symbols. Okay, now here 4A is given. Here angle is 4A and 120 degrees this side, and 3B 5C. So this is 3B and it is 5C. Okay, right. So what is the question actually? A plus B minus C. We need to find A plus B minus C value is how much? Okay, na? This is the question number 21. Okay. So first question or first point to identify, whenever the parallel lines concept is given, we need to check what is the transversal is and where are the corresponding angles, alternate angles and co-interior angles are there or not. Check first. LM parallel, MN parallel, so LM are parallel. Now while you are observing these two are parallel lines, we can consider it as a transversal. Okay, this horizontal line is considering as a transversal, and both are between the parallel lines, co-interior angles. So according to the transversal concept, 4a plus 120 equals to 180 degrees because of co-interior angles. You can write co-interior. Okay. Now 4a equals to plus 120 transpose minus 120, 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. A value 60 by 4, 15. I got the A value 15. Okay. Then how to find the 5 C and B values? But here it is a straight line, right? Already one of the angle is 120. So what about this angle? 60 degrees because of a linear pair of angles, a pair of adjacent angles on a straight line. 180 degrees. It is already 120. So right side angle 60. And these two already parallel lines, which are M and N. So this can be a transversal. These two are equal angles. Okay, na? And also any parallel condition is given here. Let us check here. Yeah, P and Q also parallel here. These two also parallel. That means if these two are parallel lines, 5C and 60 having a same shape, L shape, nothing but corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal for parallel lines. So this is 60 degrees. So 60 by 5 table 60, 12 times. Angle C is 12. If angle C is 12, that means already we know that 5C value, 3B value same because of the corresponding angles, L shape. So 3B is equal to 5C, I got already 60 degrees. Then B is equal to 60 by 3, 20 degrees. So A value 15, B value 20, C value 12. Let us add first both of them. A plus B. 15 plus 20, 35. Minus C value is 12. What is the answer? 23 degrees. Our required answer is 23 degrees. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Right, 22nd one, the supplementary angles of 47.5 degrees. What are called supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are nothing but sum of two angles is 180. So I would like to find the supplementary angle of 47.5. Nothing but sum of two angles is 180 degrees. I have taken the supplementary angle is x. Transpose that side simply 180.0 I can take plus 47.5 transpose minus 47.5. That means subtraction we should do. Here point, here 2. So this is 732. 132.5 degrees are required answer. Therefore, supplement of 47.5 degrees is 132.5 degrees. Okay, na? Our required answer is 132.5 degrees. Okay. Right. So the entire exercise is completed. Just try to do the task questions, homework questions. Okay, na? So that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.